To upload videos on YouTube Android in 2021. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. Now the very first thing you have to do is you have to click on the add button in the bottom of the middle bottom of the page. You can see the add button. You have to click on the add button, and here you can see the upload a video. You have to click on the upload a video, and when you click on the upload a video, you can choose any of the video that you want to upload. Let's see, I want to upload this video, and then you have to click on the next. And when you click on the next, here you can see the all you have to create a title. You can write any of the title that you want to so please write the title carefully. You can and after that you have to add the description below. Add the description. Here you can add the something about your video, what's your topic, and what is the elements of the video. So that's it. And after adding your description, you have to click on the and this back button, and then here you come to this page, and here you can see that you can choose the visibility of the your video. You can also set an instant premiere for the public option. You can also unlisted, you can choose the private. So that's it. You can also choose public, so that's depend on you. You can also choose the schedule for publish as public or set as a premiere. You can schedule the date, and then you can a reminder is come to this page to your mobile, and then it will say that this day is for uploading a public video. So you can also type your location, and then in the you can also add the location, like I add this one, and then you can here you can see that you can add and you can also add the playlist, like this one. You can also add the playlist, and after adding the playlist you have to go to the next. And here you can see the if your video is made for kids, so you can select the yes, it made for kid. And if your video is not made for kids, you can select the no, it's not made for kids. And here you can see the you can restrict the videos to the viewers over 18. And you can if you want to your video is have such elements that you don't have such elements to restrict for so that you can and you can your videos have your the your videos the viewers over 18 can see the videos. So you can also choose the no, don't restrict my videos to viewers over 18, and then you can click on the upload, and then your video is uploaded. And when you click on the upload section, here you can see the uh, upload, then the video is uploaded. Here you can see the video is uploading. Here you can see the video is uploading. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, I appreciate if you subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.